How to add an exhaust fan, heater, light combination fixture to my bathroom to replace my exhaust fan with light combination, no heater. Currently I have 3 switches in the bathroom, one for each of the light and the exhaust, the other for the bathtub light. I'm looking to replace it with something like this NuTone 765 HL bathroom fan, heater, light with 100 CFM, 2.0 SONES, 1500 watts adjustable heater. Will I need to run a dedicated line to be able to replace my current unit with the one I want? I am willing to forego the use of the bathtub.
Hi, my name is Dr. Fixit, your online expert ready to assist you. Yes, if want separate controls for each, then would need 3 switches, otherwise can jump the light and fan together so both operate on the same switch and the other switch is used for the heater. Reference http://www.nutone.com/common/product-digital-asset-handler.ashx. It equals 312 abdac 7 AC 649 61 B87 C 60 52 61 BD 4 C5F.
The 3 switches are for the lights over the mirror, the second light with the exhaust and the shower light. Does this change anything? There is also a GFI outlet. So a GFI outlet and 3 switches.
So when you have a total 3 switches, 1. Lights above mirror 2. Exhaust fan and light 3. Shower light. If you can access the shower light wiring from the exhaust fan and light junction box, then yes, can pull the wire from the shower light to wire it for the new heater instead. So new setup can be, 1. Lights above mirror 2. Exhaust fan and light 3. Heater.
So if I sacrifice my shower light, which I will be willing to do, I should be able to run the heater? So the heater and the light require the same amperage?
The heater should be on its own separate line to controller it on/off as needed and would draw the same current to 100 watts bulb the most. So yes, can lose the show light and use it for the new heater function you wish to add. 1. The ceiling heater portion of the combo unit requires its own dedicated 20 amp circuit using 12 AWG copper conductors landing on a 20 amp single pole circuit breaker. If you connect the new heater portion to the existing bathroom circuit and the heater is running simultaneously along with a hairdryer and/or curling iron and the ceiling fan/light, I can guarantee that the bathroom breaker will trip. The heater portion needs its own dedicated 20 amp circuit and cannot be shared with the existing bathroom circuit. 2. Per the National Electrical Code, 2011 edition, Article 424.3 branch circuits requires that fixed electric space heating equipment is at 125% of the total load of the heater. Apply Watt's law where P equals IXE, P equals 1500 watts, E equals 120 volts, I equals unknown, therefore I equals P equals 1500 120 equals 12.5 amps. Now apply Article 424.3, multiply 12.5 amps x 1.25 equals 15.625 amps. Round up to the next highest industry standard single pole breaker, which equals 20 amps. Purchase a 20 amp breaker and run a 12 AWG copper circuit to the heater portion of the combo unit. 3. If the combo unit will be installed directly above the tub or immediately outside of the tub area, the heater circuit and the fan/light circuit all need to be GFCI protected due to water/steam. If the unit will be located outside of the tub area, then no GFCI protection is required. A 20 amp rated blank face GFCI device or a 20 amp GFCI circuit breaker can serve the heater portion of the circuit if required.
Thank you for the assist. So even if I swap out the bathtub light for heater, it will be too much of a draw and cause the breaker to trip?
Yes, thanks for reminding that if the GFI and lights are fed from same circuit breaker may trip the GFI outlet and possibly the breaker due to overload. However, it depends on how the lights and outlets are wired. If they are on separate breakers, then just need to verify how many lights on the circuit, but if in fact the bath lights and outlets are all on the same circuit, then need to have a new separate run to the heater to isolate the load. If this is an upstairs bath, then should have easy attic access to run new 12-AUG Romex to your service box. Reference http://www.doityourself.com/stry/calculating a circuit breaker load hash. UKICK_LN_WO.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.